In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through my trading routine. I am a day trader. I trade in the US stock market, but I live in Dubai. So the US stock market in Dubai opens at 5:30 p.m. at the moment. It changes to 6:30 p.m. because of daylight savings, but at the moment it's 5:30 p.m. and my pre-market routine starts at 4:15 p.m. So that is 75 minutes before the market actually opens. At the moment it's 4 p.m. So first things first, I'm going to go grab a coffee, my second coffee for the day. My first coffee is in the morning around 8 a.m. Second coffee is at 4 p.m. before the pre-market prep, just to put me in the right headspace and to get that caffeine hit. What's up? Hey. Hey. So yeah, I'm back. I'm just going to turn on my screen recording now and show you guys the stocks I'm watching for the day. So this here is my main watch list. These are all the stocks I like to trade quite frequently because I'm an options trader. I like to trade the same bunch of stocks every single day. Out of all these stocks, I select the top, I would say 6 to 8 stocks on a weekly basis. Over the weekend, I go through the watch list. I find the best stocks looking really good on the higher time frames. And for this week, these are it for me. These are the top stocks: Tesla, Netflix, Adobe, Nvidia, Snow, Microsoft, BMW, MU, AMD. Now my job at 4:15 p.m. is to go through this list, find the stock with the best setup, find the stock with relative strength or weakness, or maybe the stock that is setting up really nicely in the pre-market, and that is what I'm going to do for the next 15 minutes. And before we do that, I'm just going to open up my platforms. I opened Dash Trader Pro already, and if you guys saw my day trading setup video, it's going to be linked at the top, and I'm going to link that video at the end of this video. So you guys know my platforms. This is the Dash Trader Pro. Interactive Brokers goes to the right corner of the screen, which I use to place my orders. Bookmap is the order flow application, order flow software that I use to look at the order flow and the level 2 and the market depth. That is TradingView. Top right corner, this is Dash Trader Pro again. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 platforms. So in total, I use 4 platforms every single day, quite a lot. Before I prepare my watch list, I want to mention one very important thing, because as a beginner trader, I used to feel like the more screens, if I watch like 10 stocks every single day, if I have 10 screens, I'm going to be able to make a lot more money. But as you become more experienced, as I have grown as a trader, I have realized that 2 to 4 stocks, watching 2 to 4 stocks every single day is my sweet spot. 4 stocks on the higher end, 2 stocks on the lower end, because quality over quantity. And that's why I have set up the layout like this, where I can watch like 2 main stocks for the day right here, dead center. First stock with the time and sales and the level 2, second stock with the time and sales and the level 2. So these are the 2 stocks I'm going to be focusing on off the open for the first 5 to 10 minutes of the open. If these 2 stocks are not moving, then I can switch to the other 2 stocks. So all those 4 stocks are right there. If these 2 stocks are not moving, I can then look at the other 2 stocks. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Quality over quantity. So it's almost 4:30 p.m. now. I have selected my watch list for the day. I'm watching 4 stocks along with Nvidia on the sideline. So what I do is that I just copy that list over to my Dash Trader Pro. So I have this main watch list right here, which is similar to that watch list. And that is the difficult part of having like 4 different platforms. And then now I'm watching Tesla, Netflix, BMW right here, Adobe and Nvidia on the sidelines. Now I'm going to copy this watch list to this platform, because this is what I use to look at the order flow. So I'm just going to open Tesla, Nvidia, BMW, Netflix and Adobe right here on this platform so that I'm good to go. It's almost 5 p.m. now, so that means 9 a.m. EST, 5 p.m. Dubai time. And around this time, we usually have the pre-market webinar for our Discord members. So I just go through my game plan. I discuss my entries and exits, my potential stop loss and potential profit target and all the good stuff. After the webinar, around 5:20 p.m., I just take a few deep breaths to calm myself down. I don't meditate before the market opens. I meditate separately in the morning because I tried doing that, meditating before the market opens. But the only thing I can think about while like meditating before the market opens is that just the stock market. I can't think about anything else. I'm just totally focused on my entries and exits. So what I feel like works for me is that meditating in the morning, having a separate session. For example, if you're living in US, then maybe try to meditate early in the morning, not just before the market opens, or maybe meditate at night before you sleep, right? So for me, that is a separate session in the morning. I meditate for 15 minutes, and before the market opens, I just take a few deep breaths. I try to calm myself down, and I just remind myself of my rules and my principles and my long-term goals and all the good stuff. So that just puts me in the right headspace. So I'm gonna see you guys after the webinar. The webinar starts in the next 20 seconds. So yeah, that's it guys. It's 9:26. Market opens in 4 minutes. I'm just gonna keep this rolling. I'm gonna do my thing and I'm gonna do a quick breakdown after I get done with trading. So yeah, wish me luck. I just got done with trading guys. Today was an awesome day. Sorry, I had to turn off the light because this thing was bugging me when I was trading. But yeah, pretty solid day. Made 2.8k within the first 30 minutes of the market. We can see 9:35 to 10:07. One winner, one break even, two to one is break even, and then one loser for the day. So no, it's still looking decent, but I just want to close above 185. And the big winner was on Netflix. We all were watching it in the group. So yeah, Netflix was looking really good for the break of 426 on the daily. We had that on the game plan, had a nice signal bar, pullback, entered right here, got this whole push up. Nice winner on Netflix, and I even mentioned that in the group. I can just show you right here, J daily game plan. So yeah, PNW and Netflix, yeah. So I just mentioned the same game plan. I am watching the hold of 425, 426 for a push towards 430. That's what I did. Entered right here, 425, got a push towards 430. Pretty much the same game plan. To be honest with you guys, I was a bit anxious before trading today because I'm making this video. And the thing is, the last time I made such kind of video, day in the life of a day trader in Dubai, I was red. So I was like, okay, might be green or red. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm just gonna be real with you guys. And yeah, fortunately today was green. So I just don't always lose money. If you guys saw that video, day in the life, I'm gonna link it right at the top and at the end of this video. You guys saw that I lost around like $500 on that day, but today I made 2.8k. That's the job of a day trader, keeping your losers small and letting your winners run. If you're making $1,000 on a green day, no red day should be more than $500. So that's how you need to manage your risk. And the job of a day trader is also to journal every single day, because you need to be well aware of your mistakes and the things you need to improve upon if you made any mistakes, and if not, the good things you did, the bad things you did, so that you can work towards the bad things and then you can solidify the good things. You get the idea. So for today, I traded 2 stocks. I'm just gonna click new. So this is the journal template I have been using recently. I'm gonna add Netflix right here. So this is Notion. This app is called Notion. I'm gonna add the date, like status is green, and then setup was, I would say, 1 day trend break right here. So I'm just gonna say, I'm not gonna fill it completely. It's gonna take me a while. Risk on this trade was $1,000. On this trade, I made $3,000, 2998, so approximately $3,000. Game plan was A, my entry was A, and my exit was A. R-wall on this stock was 40, but it went to about, at the moment it's 60. So yeah, it went from 40 to 60. R-wall is relative volume. R-wall is an indicator. I'm thinking of making a video on the indicators I use. So if you guys want to watch that video, let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, ATR, average to range, I'm just gonna do this later. Entries and exits. So what I do is that I just take a screenshot of the 1 month, 1 week, 1 day chart, 1 hour chart, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, order flow, that is the book map, QQQ, right? So I have to fill this every single time I take a trade, right? That's the job of a day trader. Now I'm gonna go to notability right here. So this was the trade I took today. I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this. I have done it already. I pasted on 2 apps. One is the note-taking app and the other one is Notion. Take a screenshot and then go to Notion, add the screenshot here. Yeah, so Netflix is done. I'm gonna do the same thing for Snow, so you guys get the idea how I journal. And then tomorrow morning, I just go through this journal. I look at my entries and exits and the things I need to improve upon for next day. That's our job. Our job as a day trader is to journal, take good trades, focus on yourself, maintain a healthy mindset, maintain a healthy body, so that you are able to execute at the top level when you're actually trading. So that was my routine. Now the one thing I want to mention here, that there's a misconception. My alarm just went off to stop trading 6:30 p.m. So I only like to trade for the first 1 hour. There's a misconception that you only trade for 30 minutes to 1 hour, but you guys just saw I was at my desk around 4 p.m. and now it's 6:30 p.m. So I was at my desk for about 2.5 hours. And then in the morning I meditate, I like to work out, I go through my journal in the morning as well. And like as a trader, it's not only a job, it's definitely not a job, it's a business, but this business revolves around your lifestyle. You need to make day trading as a part of your lifestyle. It's similar to being an athlete. For example, Messi or Ronaldo, right? They only perform for 1 or 2 hours every single weekend, but their life revolves around that being the best version of themselves. And that's what our job is, because only a small percentage of day traders make money. And our job is to be the best version of ourselves every single day. That won't happen if you're just getting drunk and if you're not having a disciplined lifestyle. If you're not following a disciplined lifestyle, that will reflect onto your trading as well. So yeah, I mean, day trading is a lifestyle. It's not a business. It is a business that revolves around your lifestyle, but it's definitely not a job. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you guys want to see a full version of my routine day in the life of a day trader in Dubai, check out this video. And if you guys want to know more about my day trading journey, everything from start to end, that is actually the best performing video of this channel. You guys can check out this video. That's it. If you guys have any questions for me, let me know in the comment section below. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up because it helps out the channel a lot. Subscribe to my channel for a lot more content on day trading. Go and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video.